Hello, today we will guide you through how to connect the Lovable MCP server to Claude. To begin, open Claude and go to the new chat page. This is the starting point for setting up the connection, and it gives you access to the tools and options you'll need. Once the page loads, take a moment to make sure you're in the main chat interface before moving on. Next, look for the plus sign near the chat input box and click it. This button opens additional options beyond just sending a message, and it's where Claude keeps features related to attachments, tools, and integrations. If you don't see it right away, check around the message area carefully, since the layout can vary slightly depending on your device or browser window size. From the menu that appears, click on Connectors. This section is where you manage external connections that can work alongside Claude. Opening Connectors brings you into the area where you can view existing integrations or create a new one. Once you're in the Connectors area, click Add Connector. This tells Claude that you want to create a new connection rather than edit one that already exists. If you're setting this up for the first time, this is the option you'll need. After that, choose Add Custom Connector. This is important because the Lovable MCP server is being added manually rather than selected from a preset list. Using the Custom Connector option lets you define the connection details directly. You'll then be asked to enter a name. Type Lovable. This name helps you identify the connector later, so keeping it simple and recognizable is a good idea. Make sure it's entered clearly so you can easily find it again if you return to your connector settings in the future. Next, paste the URL into the appropriate field. This URL is what tells Claude where the Lovable MCP server is located. Be careful when pasting here and make sure the full address goes into the correct box without extra spaces before or after it. A small formatting issue can sometimes prevent the connection from working properly. Finally, click Add and follow the on-screen procedure. At this stage, Claude may guide you through a few prompts to confirm or complete the setup. Read each screen carefully and continue through the process as instructed. The exact prompts may vary, so just follow what appears in your browser until the connector is fully added. Once that's done, the Lovable MCP server should be connected in Claude and ready for use. That's the full setup process from start to finish.